Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome to the Confident English Podcast, a cozy space where learning English feels easy and confident. I am so happy you are here today. Really, I mean that. You pressed play. That means you want to learn, and that is wonderful.
It really is wonderful. Hi, everyone. We are so glad you are with us.
Yes, and before we start, a small thing. If you enjoy this podcast, you can subscribe. It is very easy. Just press the button. New episodes every week, just for you.
And you can leave a comment, too. We love reading your comments. It is always so nice.
It really is. Okay, Alex, how are you feeling today? Are you in a good place?
Yes, I feel good. A little like a calm morning. You know that feeling? Everything is slow and soft. That is how I feel today.
Oh, I love that. A calm morning, slow and soft. That is beautiful.
Yes, calm, soft, easy.
Perfect, because our topic today is perfect for that feeling.
Tell me, I am ready.
Today, we are talking about speaking English, but not with other people. Speaking alone.
Speaking alone. I like that.
Yes, practicing English when you are alone. At home, in your room, in the kitchen, anywhere.
That is so helpful because many people think I need another person to practice.
Exactly. Many people believe that, but it is not true.
No, not true at all.
You can practice alone, and today we will show you how. Simply, step by step.
I love it. Let us start.
Yes, but first, let us talk about something many people feel.
What is that?
Fear. The fear of speaking.
Ah, yes, that fear. I know it well.
Tell me, have you felt it?
When I was younger, I was afraid to speak a new language. I opened my mouth and nothing came out.
Nothing came out. That is such a common feeling. Many of our listeners know that.
Yes, you open your mouth and you feel, I do not know the words, or people will laugh at me.
But here's the good news. When you practice alone, no one is there.
That is true. No one is there. No one can laugh.
Exactly. It's just you and your voice and English.
Very safe, very comfortable.
Yes, you need to feel safe to speak, to make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Completely okay. Everyone makes mistakes, even native English speakers, all the time. So you can make mistakes too. That is fine. Okay, let us talk about the first idea, the first way to practice speaking alone.
I am ready.
The first idea is talk to yourself.
Talk to yourself?
Yes, talk to yourself in English when you are alone, out loud. For example, in the morning, you wake up. You say, "Good morning," in English.
Good morning. That is very easy.
Very easy. And then, "I am tired," or "I feel good," or "Today is Monday."
You describe your life in English.
Exactly. Your real life, your morning, your feelings, not words from a book, words about you.
My coffee is hot. My cat is sleeping.
Yes, perfect. Real sentences. Simple, but real.
The sun is bright today.
Beautiful. Say them out loud, alone, in your home. No one will hear you. Just you and your English.
I think many listeners will try this.
I hope so. It is a very small step, but it's a real step. And something important. When you practice alone, use your real voice, not just your head.
Not just thinking the words?
Right. Many people think the words, but they don't say them, and that is very different.
Very different.
When you say words out loud, your mouth moves, your voice makes a sound, your ears hear it, and your brain remembers better because you used your body all together.
It's not just thinking, it's doing.
Exactly. Speaking is doing. Say it out loud, especially when you're alone. No fear, just your voice.
You and English, you are friends now.
Smiles, not your enemy, not something scary, a friend, a friendly language. Okay, Ready for the next idea?
Yes, always ready.
The third idea is read out loud.
Read out loud?
Yes, take any text and read it out loud. A book, a story, even a children's book.
A children's book?
Yes, children's books are perfect for learners. Very simple words, short sentences, often with pictures. And pictures help. You see the image, you read the word. Your brain makes a strong connection.
Very powerful.
When you read out loud, your mouth is speaking, your eyes are reading, your ears are listening. 3 things at once. Your brain loves that.
Like exercise for the brain.
And for your mouth, too. Speaking is physical. Your mouth has muscles. You need to train them. Your English muscles.
English muscles.
Train them every day. Every sentence counts.
And speak slowly, slow and clear, like we do here.
Yes, fast is not better. Clear is better than fast. If you speak fast and no one understands, that is not good. Communication is the goal, not speed. Someone understands you. That is it.
Speak slow, speak clear. That is enough.
More than enough. That is wonderful. And be gentle with yourself. Do not say, I am terrible, or my English is so bad.
Do not say those things.
No. Say, I am learning.
I am learning. Much nicer and true.
Very true. Every day. Even when you make mistakes, especially then. Mistakes are teachers.
Mistakes are teachers. You make one, you notice, you try again, you learn.
Simple. Beautiful. Okay, the fourth idea.
Yes, please.
Use a mirror.
A mirror to look at myself?
Yes, stand in front of a mirror and speak English.
That sounds a little strange.
I know, it sounds funny, but it really helps because you see yourself, your face, your mouth, and it starts to feel more real, like a real conversation.
Because you see a person, even if it is you.
Exactly. And it helps with confidence. You look at yourself, you stand tall, you speak, and slowly you feel more confident. The body changes the mind.
Body and mind are connected. When your body is confident, your mind follows.
And everyone has a mirror, so no excuses.
No excuses.
Go to the mirror, look at yourself, and say, Good morning, my name is... your name.
Good morning. My name is Alex. Simple.
Perfect. Then continue. Today is a nice day. I feel good. Just talk. Not perfect, just real.
Real is better than perfect, always.
Okay, the fifth idea.
Tell me.
Talk about your day.
My day?
Yes. At the end of the day, sit down and say in English what you did.
Thinking like a short story?
Yes, very short. Today I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast. I went for a walk. Simple past tense. I woke up, I ate, I went, I saw. Very basic. Anyone can do this.
And you practice past tense without thinking about grammar.
Without a grammar book, without a lesson, just life. Language is life.
Just life. I love that.
Practice with yourself first, then with others. When you finally speak with others, it feels more natural because you already practiced many times, so the fear is smaller.
The fear gets smaller every time you practice.
Every single time. Okay, the sixth idea.
Tell me.
Repeat after a speaker.
Repeat after a speaker.
Like this podcast. You listen to us, press pause, say the same sentence out loud. Copy the voice, the sound, the rhythm. Your mouth learns the shapes of English sounds.
Like a musician practicing notes again and again.
Until it feels natural, and one day it just comes without thinking.
Speak and feel free. That is the goal.
Yes, small steps at home, big steps in the world. The seventh idea.
Tell me.
Sing in English.
Sing. I love this one.
Do you sing?
In the shower, where no one hears me.
Perfect. Sing in English in the shower, very loud. No one hears you. Singing helps with pronunciation, rhythm, the sounds of English, and you remember words better with a melody.
It is true. I know song words from years ago. I never forget them.
Music goes deep in the brain. Choose songs you love, any style, and just sing, even badly.
Even badly. The goal is not to be a singer.
The goal is comfortable English sounds. Your English will thank you. The 8th idea.
Tell me.
Imagine a conversation.
Imagine a conversation.
Yes, imagine you're talking to someone and say both parts.
I am two people?
Yes, you ask the question, you answer it, like a small play. Hello, how are you?
Smile. I am fine, thank you. And you?
Very well. What is your name?
Smile. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. A real conversation, but alone. You can practice any situation, in a shop, at a restaurant.
Excuse me, can I have the menu, please?
Now you are the customer and the waiter. When the real moment comes, you are ready. You already practiced it, so it feels familiar, not scary, comfortable.
Like an old friend.
Like an old friend, yes. English is becoming an old friend.
Smile. I like that journey.
It is a beautiful journey. Okay, the 9th and last idea.
Tell me.
Record yourself.
Record myself?
Yes, use your phone, record your voice in English.
That sounds a little scary.
I know, it is very helpful. You hear yourself from outside, not from inside your head. Very different. You notice things. I speak too fast. I said that word wrong. And then you try again. A little better each time.
And save the recordings. Listen back in 1 month.
Yes, you hear how much you improved, and that gives so much energy. Because sometimes learning feels slow. You do not feel like you are improving, but then you listen to an old recording and you hear the difference.
Smile. Oh, I am better now.
Smile, yes, and you feel proud. It's like a voice diary, your English journey in sound.
A voice diary. I love that. I'm going to start one.
Please do. It will be wonderful. Okay, let me say all 9 ideas one more time. Slowly.
Please.
1. Talk to yourself.
Talk to yourself.
2. Describe what you see.
Describe what you see.
3. Read out loud.
Read out loud.
4. Use a mirror.
Use a mirror.
5. Talk about your day.
Talk about your day.
6. Repeat after a speaker.
Repeat after a speaker.
7. Sing in English.
Sing in English.
8. Imagine a conversation.
Imagine a conversation.
9. Record yourself.
Record yourself. A voice diary.
9 ideas, but start with just one, the easiest one, the one that feels right, and try it today.
Today, not next Monday.
Not next Monday. Tonight before sleep, say 3 sentences in English.
Today was a good day. I had coffee. I am tired now.
You practiced English in 1 minute. 1 minute. Everyone has 1 minute. And 1 minute every day is 6 hours in a year.
6 hours from 1 minute a day.
Small things add up, always.
I believe that. I really do.
And to anyone who feels embarrassed to talk to themselves,
Yes?
many smart people talk to themselves. Scientists, athletes, writers.
It is not strange. It is smart.
It is freedom. You practice without pressure, without judgment, without fear. Freedom to be a learner.
And being a learner is beautiful. Always moving forward, even slowly.
Forward is forward.
Forward is forward. I love that.
And if you feel afraid, feel it and do it anyway. That is courage, real courage.
Every English learner is brave.
Every one of you, very brave. Learning a new language is hard, and you are doing it. That is something to be proud of.
Very proud.
Something important to everyone listening. Your English is enough.
Say that again.
Your English is enough. Right now, as it is. Enough.
It is enough.
You do not need perfect English. You need real English. Hello? Thank you. Excuse me? Can you help me? Those words are powerful. With those words, you can connect, you can ask, you can live in English.
And every day you add more words, little by little, until one day you look back and you are amazed at how far you came.
That moment will come, I promise.
We believe in you. We really do.
We are here every week, with you, for you. Okay, a simple daily routine, very short, 5 to 10 minutes total.
How short?
Almost nothing. In the morning, 3 sentences in English. Good morning. Today is, I feel. 2 minutes.
And during the day?
Describe what you do. In English, I am making tea. I am going outside.
This bag is heavy.
Very real. And at night, before sleep, 3 things from your day. In English.
Today I walked to the shop. I spoke to my friend. I had a nice lunch.
That is the whole routine. Morning, day, night. Very manageable. It fits into your life. You use the time you already have, and you add English. And slowly, your life becomes a little English. Every day, more and more, until it is natural, easy, confident.
Confident English.
Always confident English.
If you feel scared of English, that's okay. Fear is normal, but fear is not forever. Every time you speak, even for 1 minute, the fear gets a little smaller. One day, it will be just a tiny whisper, and you will speak anyway.
And you will feel so proud.
We are here every week for you. New topics, new ideas.
And we love this podcast because of you. Okay, final summary, very short. Today we talked about how to practice English alone, at home, without another person. And we learned it is possible. Good. Enough.
More than enough.
9 simple ideas and a short daily routine. Morning, day, night. And fear is normal, but it gets smaller with practice, with kindness to yourself.
Be kind to yourself, always. You are doing something hard, and you are doing it. That is brave.
Very brave. Okay, one last thing. Go practice English today.
Today, not tomorrow.
Choose one idea, just one. Try it for 1 minute, out loud in English.
You can do it. We believe in you.
Before we say goodbye, if you enjoyed this episode, please leave a comment, just a small one. Tell us how you feel, ask a question. We read every comment.
And if this was helpful, give it a like. It helps other people find us, other learners around the world.
And please subscribe. New episodes every week for you.
Every week, we are here, and we are so happy you are here too.
Thank you for listening from the heart.
From our hearts, stay safe.
Be kind to yourself and keep learning every day, little by little.
Little by little, day by day. Confident English. See you next week.
See you next week. Take care, everyone.
Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye.